Listen and practice speaking skills. Hey, Mike. How's your day going so far?
Oh, hey, Sarah. Not too bad, just trying to stay on top of things. How about you?
Pretty good. I had a productive morning, but I'm ready for a break. By the way, did you hear about the new project we're starting next week?
Yeah, I heard about it. Sounds like it's going to be a challenging one. Are you excited?
Definitely. It's always nice to switch things up and tackle something new. Plus, I think it'll be a great opportunity to learn and grow.
Absolutely. Speaking of learning, have you been keeping up with your Spanish lessons?
Not as much as I'd like to be honest. Work's been keeping me pretty busy lately.
I hear you. Finding time for everything can be tough. Maybe we should start a study group or something to keep each other motivated.
That's a great idea. Accountability always helps. Let's do it.
So, any plans for the weekend?
Not really, just the usual, catching up on some sleep, maybe going for a hike if the weather's nice. What about you?
I might head into the city to check out that new art exhibit everyone's been talking about. And then, of course, there's the never-ending battle with my laundry.
The joys of adulting. Well, if you need a break from the laundry, feel free to join me on the hike.
Thanks, I might take you up on that. By the way, did you see the email about the team outing next month?
Yeah, I did. Bowling night, right? Should be a blast.
Definitely. I can already see myself embarrassingly failing at bowling, but hey, it's all in good fun.
Agreed. It's not about winning, it's about having a good time with colleagues outside of work.
Exactly. So, are you in?
Count me in. It'll be nice to unwind and bond with everyone outside of the office.
Jake, isn't this just paradise? I could get used to this view every day.
Tell me about it, Emily. It's like we're living in a postcard. So, any plans for the rest of the day?
Well, I was thinking of taking a dip in the ocean later. What about you?
I might join you for a swim, but first, I want to explore the little market we passed by yesterday. I heard they have some amazing local crafts and souvenirs.
Sounds like a plan. Maybe we can find some unique gifts for our friends back home.
Definitely. Speaking of back home, have you been keeping up with work emails? I promised myself I'd disconnect completely, but old habits die hard.
I know what you mean. I did check in briefly yesterday, but I'm trying my best to stay off my phone and just enjoy the moment.
Wise choice. We're here to relax, after all. So, Any highlights from the trip so far?
Oh, where do I start? Snorkeling with those colorful fish was incredible, and that sunset cruise we went on was simply magical. How about you?
That snorkeling trip was definitely a highlight for me too. And let's not forget about that impromptu beach volleyball game we joined yesterday, even though we lost terribly.
Hey, it's the effort that counts, right? Plus, it was so much fun. I love how this trip is all about trying new things and making memories.
Absolutely. By the way, have you tried the local cuisine yet? I heard the seafood here is to die for.
Oh, yes. I had the most amazing shrimp ceviche yesterday, and I can't wait to try more dishes. Maybe we should sign up for a cooking class and learn how to make some of these recipes ourselves.
That's a brilliant idea. I'm all in for that. And maybe we can recreate a beachside feast for our friends once we're back home.
They would love that. Alright, enough talking about food, I'm starting to get hungry again. Shall we grab some lunch?
Absolutely. Let's see what delicious treats the beachside restaurant has to offer today.
Oh, hey there, David. Fancy running into you here.
Hey, Emma. What a pleasant surprise. How's your day going so far?
Not too bad, thanks. Just running a few errands before heading back home. And you?
Same here, just taking a stroll and enjoying the nice weather. So, have you lived in the neighborhood for long?
Actually, I moved in about 6 months ago. Still getting to know the area, but I'm really liking it so far. How about you?
Oh, I've been here for a couple of years now. It's a great community, very friendly and welcoming.
Definitely seems that way. Say, do you know if there are any good coffee shops around here?
Oh, absolutely. There's a quaint little cafe just around the corner that serves the best lattes. I highly recommend it.
Thanks for the tip. I'll have to check it out sometime. By the way, I've been meaning to ask, do you know if there are any local parks nearby?
Oh, there's a lovely park just a few blocks away. It's perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic on a sunny day.
That sounds delightful. I'll have to make a note to visit soon. So, do you have any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really, just planning to relax and maybe catch up on some reading. What about you?
I might go hiking if the weather holds up. There's a trail I've been wanting to explore for a while now.
Sounds like a fantastic way to spend the weekend. Well, if you ever need a hiking buddy, feel free to give me a shout.
Thanks, David. I might just take you up on that offer. Anyway, I should probably get going now. It was really nice chatting with you.
Likewise, Emma. Have a great day, and don't hesitate to stop by if you ever need anything.